Hello everybody, it's Saturday in the NL Grease Monkey garage. Having a little break there now with a day boil. Kitty Vitty is a microbrewery here in Newfoundland, and this is a session IPA called Day Boil. Very, very good. Anyway, here's Raj.
Hey.
And it's a nice day here in Newfoundland, Canada. Got the side-by-side and my Harley's moved out. That's my daughter's car that we're fixing up for her. She's getting her license soon. Now, where are we? 1998, 95th anniversary Ultra Classic Electroglide. 95th anniversary. What we're doing right now,
They're scrapping it.
we're in way deeper than we thought we would ever be. I thought the front lowering kit was a simple drop-in kit. It is that way for Sportsters and Dynas, maybe Softails, but for the touring, it's a lot more involved. So anyway, Roger installed his rear shocks, lowering shocks, and man, she's low. He thought his muffler ends were scraping, but they're not. Looks to be the tire is rubbing on something inside the fender, but it seems like it might be that seat mounting hole, because it was chowdered up a little bit. It looks like it might have made contact and bent, so we just took it out of it because the seat he's using uses that bolt and just in the front there. So what did we have to do? Technically the saddlebag didn't have to come off. We had an issue there. I'll explain to you in a second. There was oil over that right shock, and I actually thought that he might have had a bad shock from Burly that pissed its oil out. But in any case, there's a tube. Here it is. Here, runs up along underneath the tank. Comes out up here where it's got a T on it, right there, and it runs then. It tees off to both the front shocks. So it's almost like a balancing for the oil pressure in the shocks between the front and the back when the air shocks was on. So when the air shocks came off, that was just, it seems to be like it was just squirting oil back over the back of the bike. So anyway, gonna have to cap that off somehow. But in order to get at the forks to do this lowering kit, holy shit, like everything had to come apart. Like we had to take the bars off anyway because Roger's upgrading them, as we told you in a previous one. But anyway, the entire fairing had to come off. Like, holy crap, the wiring, unreal. There it is over there. That's the inner, and the outer's over there. Roger has damage on his front fender, so he has a replacement fender. And we weren't going to do that today, but once we learned that the fender and tire had to come off and everything, the wheel, to do this lowering spring kit, we figured the fender's on its way now. His woman's delivering it, so just well to do that now, because that's a fairly decent job in itself.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, we were hoping to get this done today, but we've pretty much resigned to the fact that this is not going to get done today. We're going to keep plugging away at it, but holy shit. If I could get the bars and the lowering kit on it today and the front wheel and everything on, and say probably fresh tomorrow to work on the fairing, I think that would be good. But we're going to try to get it done. So that's it, man. That's what we're into here today at the NL Grease Monkey. We are deep into it. Want to send a shout out to Channel because I had no idea how to get the ignition switch off. And there's a couple of videos online, and the guys are trying their best to explain, but I mean, their hands are in the way, and you can't see shit. But I was going to give a shout out, but now I have his name misplaced. I think it's Moto Fuel or something like that. Anyway, when I upload the video, I'll put a link to his page in my description. So anyway, shout out to you. I made a comment there that it was a very helpful video, and then he followed me, so pretty cool. Like to give him a shout out. Doing some pretty cool stuff over there, and some very helpful videos if you're teching on your own Harley. Great stuff for a DIY person. Anyway, if you're seeing this video and you subscribe to me, give him a
It's money so we can afford new bikes.
right. Give that guy a subscribe and make a comment on his video. That'll help him out. And if you happen to subscribe to that guy and you see my video, I'd certainly appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my page. It's pretty low tech, but we're do-it-yourselfer guys. Working on all kinds of cool shit. So anyway, that's it. I'll do another video in a little while, give you an update on how this is going. Really haven't started doing anything other than dismantle at this point. But that's it, man. Stay safe, take care of each other, be good to each other, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.